A very good morning, Zimbabwe, Mamukase, and we are taking a look on this controversial story being reported by Rutendo Matinyarare. Also, the ZBC reported about it, and it's about the oil in Mozarabani, Kabora Basa. I apologize for my neck. My neck was so bad and was acting up. And let me try if I proceed with this report because it's very important what we get, So, the thing is that simple of 3,000 meters deep, the uh, but the problem or the thing that we can benefit as when let's say they discovered that this oil is there and can use for many purposes. Means we can begin to supply the Bosatic region with oil. It means Zimbabweans can begin to enjoy oil. Zimbabweans can begin to have jobs. But the question is, are we going to have it in the nation of Zimbabwe? Are we going to benefit as Zimbabwe's whole project? Are we not going to see the Chinese continuously the resources of the nation of Zimbabwe? Just hope to we discover diamonds in just if went missing just like that. Nothing was recovered, and nothing. We benefited nothing from those resources. If you look at that area of Manicaland, it's worse. There was no development whatsoever, but there were billions worth of diamonds which were discovered there. So the question is, with this oil, are we going to have Zimbabwe be developed, or we going to see the case of a few individuals every day? You know, in 60 um, Chinese yes, will get finished in 24 hours. So that is another with us. So you see, Kuti, at the end of the day, as Zimbabweans, I don't believe the crop of leadership which we have, we are going to benefit anything. We really need to have an overhaul in terms of leadership, so that if this oil is really, or if it's truly discovered,